This is Nightmare here.
What's up, everybody?
And he's at my house. We're about to crush a flip phone. Yep.
How are we gonna do this? We're gonna drop it. We're gonna throw it.
Drop it first. Damn.
Nothing really happened. Just some chew marks on it because of dough. But let's put the back on there.
God dang it! A moth flew in my ear, but it left.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna wreck this thing. You want to stand back?
God dang it! Sorry about that. I might have just blocked the camera for a split second, but I was like, God dang it!
Broke that time.
Where is it?
Something flew off of it. I know that. Oh, dude, get back! Oh my God!
It's like
It actually cracked in front of it too. Okay.
God.
It cracked the shit out of the glass in front though. It literally. What are you doing? It shattered like big time. Can I see this right now? Come here.
Look at that.
Look at this. It cracked it.
Move it into the light. Right. Okay, there we go.
Look at that though. Like it shattered the screen, but
Wait. Oh, I saw lightning. Is there a storm coming? Probably.
I don't know.
I see it in the distance, so. Oh God, it's really humid out here.
It will not break. We're crap.
I don't know why, but flip phones seem to be tougher than smartphones. So.
Yeah, I mean, I just pop back in place. Let's see if I can try it again.
It's like popping your broken arm back into place.
I'm throwing this thing.
I keep putting my.
Oh, there went the screen. Hey, there's the screen. Well, we got one little chunk out of it.
Alright. I keep putting my fingers over the camera because I'm not used to an iPhone camera being there. Because I'm an Android person.
I'm gonna get this thing to snap.
Wait a minute, Cody, bring it here. Bring it here.
Dude, it's still breaking.
I have an idea.
No, oh wait, it's breaking. It's breaking.
Hold this.
It's breaking.
Hold this.
What?
Okay.
Don't snap it like that. I want to break. Don't! Ah, you a bitch! I wanted to break it by throwing it.
It's okay.
Hey, take the camera. Man.
It's okay. He's gonna be alright.
Oh gosh, not that.
Oh gosh.
Well, it went back together.
Dude, that was a bat.
What?
That was a bat. Bats fly all over the neighborhood.
Oh, dude, I think the inside's pretty.
Dude, that thing flew by and I heard it went like. I can still hear it.
Hold up a second.
Hold up a sec.
Whoa!
That wasn't good. Careful, don't break the windows.
I won't.
And if you do, you know, you're gonna pay for it. Oh, look at Zeke.
Zeke.
Like, I wish I could be out there.
That part is not breaking. That is tough. That ain't breaking. It's scratching, but it's not breaking.